How I net a tree so that we can harvest all the fruits. Basically using poles. This is about I don't know, about 25 mil or 30 millimeter with water pipes on the top, folded into an arch. I bury them about 30 to 40 centimeters deep. It's just straight into the ground, no cement or concrete or anything like that. And basically, to hold the pipes down, you see on the inside I drill a hole. Just zoom in over here and put a drill to hold the pipes down. When the poles are already in, the water pipes on the top tie down into a cross arch like that. It's all a matter of putting nets over. Because the net is fairly light, the pipe will support the weight. Not a problem. And at the bottom, it's just basically pegging down into the ground. When it's not fruiting, what I do is just leave one side of the ground out so that chooks can go in and do its work, fertilizing and picking up worms as they go along, scratch here and there. And it's also for easy access, for mowing or whippersnippers. I normally have joints over here in the midway up, and I leave holes around the joints, basically for easy harvesting of fruits, rather than have to open up the nets every now and then. Whenever you want to harvest the fruits, I have joints like this, and we can put our hands in there to harvest fruits from all around. The joints where holes are, I normally use pegs to hold them together. Just another plant that I netted up is coming in the flower. This is maturing.